Come on, go. Mix it up. Mix it up. Can you go a little faster?
No.
Huh? Huh? Hurry up. Are you done?
There's a lot of work mixing this up.
Are you done?
No.
Hurry up, son. This is boring. Hurry up. You're so slow. I don't know what to say because I just don't know. Blah, 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 blah. Hurry up, Jamal. That's good. Here. Let me see it now. Let me see it.
Hold on.
Let me see it. Yes. Okay, ready? Ready? Tell me when.
Go.
Oh crap! Oh crap! No. Oh no! Oh no! No, that's wrong. Where's it? And then that goes there, and then that goes there, and then this goes there, and then this goes there, and then
He's really doing this, people. We're not fast forwarding.
There, and then this goes there, and then I think my mama's ready for us to go. And that goes there.
Well, if you hurry up.
I'm gonna solve this faster than you mixed it up.
All my hard work to mix that up.
I hate this Rubik's Cube, it sucks! There we go, alright.
How do you zoom? Oh.
You press the zoom button. Button o de zoomo.
Don't zoom.
And then after that you do this.
And there you have it, folks. Every side solved.
Go. Go. Okay, turn it off now.